Hi, this is Charlie, and welcome to this week's Friday live trading video thing. That's the second attempt now, and I'm not doing any more. The guys in the room are laughing. So, it's Friday and it's live trading day, but it's also non-farm payroll day. So we have got to try and find something here this morning um, that I can sort of get in and get out of, because as the day goes on, then I'm going to want to start being flat. Talking of being flat though, as always, I have to show you the accounts because I unfortunately am in stuff. I don't mind showing you this stuff because it's already well in, so to speak, and it doesn't matter what happens here. So I have been in some positions here on the Aussie and on this is cable, but they're all protected. Those two are protected now. I am in a position which I was telling the trading room about yesterday, which has started to turn up, for me, but and I can see that that's a short on the dollar yen. If we go to the dollar yen actually, and put this onto an hourly chart, I can see the dollar yen was down, another 50 pips lower than it currently is overnight, but that wouldn't have been my target anyway. So, but having said that, I can't stay in the dollar yen position going into non-farm payrolls, or at least if it was to come down by late the morning, I'd want to at least be out of at least half of the position, if not three-quarters of the position. So, bit of a pain really. I'm sitting in a small profit on it, but don't feel like I can really do much with it right now. And so, who knows what's going to happen? So, what I might do is trail the stop on it and just because it's non-farm payrolls day. I wouldn't normally do that. You just follow the strategy, but we have got a lot of news coming out today, so and I can't hold on to it, not through non-farm payrolls, not all of it anyway. I wouldn't mind holding on to some of it, so we shall see. Anyway, you've probably seen me scratching my nose and everything else, so I'm going to turn this video off for the time being, and we'll have a look and see if we can find something. Okay, right. So I don't know. Did I say? I can't remember. I forget because I'm doing my chats with the guys in the room, and then I'm talking to the recording as well. And I was talking about buying the pound when it comes down to the 5-minute 50, which is the white line here, and the 8 a.m. as a combination, combination support level. And anyway, I was on the phone at 5 to 8 this morning, and so have subsequently missed the entry. So I was just literally just pressed record again, just because I'm looking for a dip back down to my lower band and see if it does dip down. I was just looking for anything quick this morning, because obviously we've got non-farm payrolls, and so just looking to see if I can get anything quick in. That would have been a nice little quick 10 pips and a quick couple of £100, but alas, I've missed out on that at the moment. So what I'm now going to have to do is see if it does a little pullback, and then if it can hold there. I'm well aware of some other things which could affect this and make it roll over some more, but I will give it a go. It's Friday morning. We have got some news coming up, but that's not until 9:30, so I could wait for the PMI construction PMI figures to come out, but at the moment I'm tempted, if it does a little dip down to my lower band here, to give it another shot. But at the moment it's held up quite well from that combo pivot combo thing. Press pause. Right then, just back. Here we go. So I'm going to put a 2 lot in. This trade is either going to be in quick or it's going to be over in seconds. Right, long 125. Got 2 units in. Stop down at 18. So it's a 7 pip stop. Just get those stops in. This could be over very, very quickly, like I say, but I'll give it a go for a little scalp here this morning, so to speak. 126. 18 is a stop, and just doing the stops off screen at the moment. 126.18. So it's either going to work and I'm going to get a little bounce, or it's going to be over very, very quickly. So so we shall see. I shall press pause just whilst we're waiting, I guess. I guess we could watch it for a little bit, and you can. It's funny actually, because someone said to me last week, now you've got the camera on, Charlie, we can see your emotions and we can see your emotional state when you're trading. Well, here's my emotional state whilst I'm trading. It's really nerve-wracking. I'm joking, but yeah, it's funny. the point that I always raise is that if you're a good trader, you shouldn't have an emotional state whilst trading as such. It should just be a relaxing thing like anything else that you're doing. You place a trade and you see if the trade works out. So um, there is no real change in physiology when in a trade. But anyway, unless it's a really big trade and I'm up 100 grand, then yes, then there might be a slight change in physiology then. But on a normal trade like this, then there's not really too much going on. But I'll press pause for now. So yeah, okay. So I'm just getting this back up and running because I want this to. I want you to see my reactions as I get stopped here. It's about to. Oh no, it has just stopped me. I've just seen it flash up. So I said it would be a quick trade. I think that took all of a couple of maybe it's actually. I think it took about 3 minutes actually. So okay. I shouldn't be playing, and I'm not playing, and it was a genuine trade. I've just got stopped out for these two units here, 63 and 68. The existing stuff is the existing trade, so but which I obviously can't lose on. But no matter what happens, I'll just give back a bit of profit, but I can't lose on it. So yeah, I mean the point I should have been in at was the first point, down to Sam's fault because she was on the phone, and anyway, so I've missed out on the and I would have probably loosened off 10 pips and just seen what would have happened after that. So it wouldn't have been a huge amount. I wouldn't have taken it all actually. I would have loosened off some. So for now, I'm probably going to have to wait. I'll keep my eye on the other markets, but nothing too attractive as far as the patterns are concerned this morning. So it is non-farm payroll day, but we have got some news out here on cable, so we'll see what happens on the back of that. Right, just back, and I'm actually gonna. I'll just take these charts down, and right, I am going to call this video a wrap today because we're at 9:30, and Kim's coming over. We've got our end of year meeting today. He's over in less than an hour's time, and so I'm not going to be doing any more trading here. So all I'm doing is just managing this lot out. So let's bring it all up to a point where it's been a decent week. Plus, I'm finishing off on some decent trades here. So I'm currently up. What's that? 800, 1300, 1800. Oh no, I don't know. 600, 1200 plus 800. That's 2000. Over £2,000 at the moment up, and I can't really give much of this back. I've got the dollar yen is locked in. This Aussie dollar is pretty much locked in. It can't really do me any harm on that. And the same with this cable. The stop's quite high now at 125.80. It's only a half a lot position in. So it's it's going to be all locked in. I can't really give too much of this back. There'll be a little bit of the yen come back if it comes back against me, but I've got a trading stop on that. And the same likewise with the Aussie dollar. I think the maximum I can lose, this can go down to, is about £400 for maybe 350. But anyway, so currently up about, like I say, about £2,000. And these were trades were only one. This yen was put in yesterday, yesterday afternoon, or whenever it was, yesterday morning. I put that trade in. Sorry, and this trade was Monday, then the pound trade was Wednesday, plus other trades this week. So not a huge amount of trades, but you finish off the week like that and you think, okay, well, I don't need to take any more trades. So so not a lot going on as far as that's concerned. Let's go and have a look at this dollar yen, because I think the dollar yen is about to hit a level. I've got a limit order down at 60, 113.60. I've got a limit order down at. So, and that will again bank the majority of that dollar yen. We have got non-farm payrolls. I'm not trading it today, so I apologize for not really doing much today, but hopefully next week it's I'm flat and we've got a bit more to get my teeth into, and it'll be a longer session. So enjoy your weekends, and I shall see you next week. Take care for now.